Hi everyone, welcome to Maths World. In today's class we are going to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions, and then we are going to discuss about fractional numbers on the number line. Okay, at first for example I am taking 3 2 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. I am going to convert it as improper fraction. So at first we have to multiply these two and then we have to add a numerator. Okay, so 5 into 3 plus 2. So 5 3 is a 15 plus 2, 17. So 17 by 5 is the answer. So 3 2 by 5 is equal to 17 by 5. So next we are going to solve another example, one more example. 5 6 by 8 for example. Okay, any mixed fraction you can take. Okay, so we have to multiply these two and then we have to add a numerator. Okay, what we will get? So 8 into 5 plus 6. So 8 5 is 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6, 46. So we are going to write this mixed fraction as 46 by 8. Denominator is same, no change in the denominator, so change in numerator. Okay, I think you understood well. So for classwork you have to solve example 8 1 by 11, 6 1 by 4, 7 2 by 6, 11 1 by 7, 16 1 by 8, like this. Okay, you have to solve after completion of class. Okay, next topic we are going to discuss about fractional numbers on the number line. So what is our topic? Fractional numbers on the number line. Okay, so what is a number line? If we write numbers on a line, that is called number line. Okay, so we can also take negative numbers also. In 6th class only they have given whole numbers discussion, so I am taking 0 is the ending point. Okay, so in 8th class state syllabus we are going to discuss all negative fractional numbers and positive fractional numbers. Okay, so for 6th class standard this is enough. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So later on infinite numbers we can write on number line. Okay, so for example at first we have to learn one condition. Condition 1 is what? Proper fractions, proper fraction value always less than 1. Okay, and condition 2 is improper fraction, condition or note, improper fraction value greater than 1. Okay, these are most important for these fractional numbers on the number line topic. So these are most important, you have to remember it. And then for example directly I am discussing one example. For example, this is 3 by 5 is a, at first we have to decide the given fraction is proper fraction or improper fraction. So this is according to our knowledge, this is a proper fraction. Okay, so proper fraction value, what is the condition? 3 by 5 is always less than 1. 3 by 5 or any proper fraction value is less than 1. So in this situation we can draw directly on the number line. So this value is in between 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 and we are taking 1. Okay, 3 by 5. So we have to divide the 0 to 1 part in 5 parts. Okay, we have to divide 0 to 1 place 5 parts. Okay, so this is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. So 3 by 5, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 5. Okay, I think you understood. Okay, one more example we are going to discuss. So second one, tell me one fraction, one proper fraction. 6 by 8. Okay, any proper fraction you can take. Okay, we have to draw 0 to 1. Why? Because we need only 0 and 1 on number line. Why? Because proper fraction value is always in between 0 and 1. Okay, we have to and then we, at first we have to decide this is proper fraction or improper fraction. This is first step. Second step, if it is a proper fraction, so then the value lies in between 0 and 1. So it and then second step, we have to observe what is denominator. So 8 is the denominator. We have to draw 8 means 7 lines. We have to divide 8 parts. In the place in between 0 and 1, we have to divide 8 parts. Okay, 8 parts means we have to draw 7 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. So 6 and then 7. Okay, so what is numerator? Third step, what is numerator? 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th place is, this is 6 by 8. This is the showing of fractional numbers on the number line. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the do these problems. Okay, so show the fractional show the following on the number line. So 7 by 6 they have given. We already our discussion is going on. 7 by 6, 5 by 2, 7 by 5, 9 by 6. Okay, 7 by 6, this is a improper fraction or proper fraction. We have to decide first. 7 by 6, this is improper fraction. So when the given fraction is improper fraction, this method is different from proper fraction. So we have to, at first we have to divide numerator, we have to divide with numerator, we have denominator. Okay, okay, 6 that is we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so 6 1 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1. So if you write it as what mixed fraction, so 6 1 1 1 by 6 is the mixed fraction for this 7 by 6. So this value lies in between, lies in between what is the whole part? 1. So lies in between 1 comma 2. Oh, so we have to take 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, so this value lies in between 1 and 2. So total how many parts? 6 parts. We have to divide in between the place 1 and 2. So we have to draw 5 lines. Okay, so 1 by 6, 1 by 6 ante 1 after 1 by 6 means first place 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So this is okay. Next one is 5 by 2. Okay, next second question, do this 5 by 2. This is also improper fraction. So what is the first step? We are dividing numerator with denominator. 2 2 ja 4. So by subtracting we are getting 1. So what is mixed fraction? We are getting the remainder on numerator, writing as a numerator, and divisor as denominator, and quotient we are going to write it as a whole part. 2 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction for 5 by 2. So the value of 5 by 2 lies in between 2 comma 3. So here whole part is 2, okay, 2 and the next number 2 after 3. So 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3, the value of this lies in between, okay. So 0, 2 and 3, so 1 2 3, okay, I am taking. So what is the mixed, if we observe mixed fraction, what is numerator? 1. What is denominator? 2. So we have to divide in between the place 2 and 3 as a 2 parts, okay. So what is numerator? 1. So 1 2 1 by 2. This is the showing of fractional numbers on the number line, okay. Next 7 by 5. 7 by 5, third problem. What is the first step? This is a improper fraction. We have to decide it first. Improper fraction. And then, so when we decide improper fraction, we have to divide numerator with denominator 5 2. So if we write it as a mixed fraction, remainder has a numerator and divisor has a denominator, quotient has whole part, okay, 1 2 by 5. So the value of 7 by 5 lies in between 1 comma 2. Here it is 1 after number 2, 1 comma 2. So we are taking number line 0 1 2 and 3. So lies in between 1 and 2. So now we are going to observe what is denominator 5. So we are going to divide the place in between 1 and 2 as 5 parts, okay. If we draw 4 lines, it will be divided into 5 parts. So then we have to observe what is numerator? 2. So second place 1 2, second place 1 2 by 5, okay. So this is the showing of fractional number on the number line. Next, fourth one, 9 by 6, okay. So at first this is a improper fraction, okay. So and then when we decide it is improper fraction, we have to divide numerator with denominator. 6 1 ja 6, 3. So the 3 has a numerator, remainder has a numerator, and divisor has a denominator, and quotient has whole part. So here it is one whole part is there. So 9, the value of 9 by 6 lies in between 1 comma 2, okay. So if we draw a number line 0 1 2 and 3, okay. So lies in between 1 and 2. So then what we are going to decide? So numerator is 6. So we are going to divide in between the place 1 and 2 has 6 parts. So if we draw 5 lines, it will be divided into 6 parts, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. So what is numerator? 3. 1 2 3, third part 1 3 by 6. This is the showing of fractional numbers on the number line, okay. Next, consider the following numbers. Which of these would lie on the number line before 1, between 1 and 2? So, just we are going to decide before 1 or in between 1 and 2. So, 17 by 8. 17 by 8. This is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. So, which of the following are what they are given? Which of the following lie on the number line in between 1 and 2? What is the question? In between 1 and 2 and before 1. Okay, two conditions they have given. Okay, so at first this is a improper fraction. So, this value is before 1 is not the answer. Okay, so 17 by 8 for example I am explaining 1. So 8 to just 16. So 1 is remainder. So remainder has a numerator, divisor has denominator, and quotient has whole part. Okay, this the value of 17 by 8 lies in between 2, 3. So this fraction value is lies not in between 1 and 2. Okay, this is 2 by 3. So this is lies in between 2 and 3. Okay. So 11 by 4. So this is also improper fraction. Improper fraction. So if we divide 11 with 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3. So 3 by 4, 2 whole part. Okay. So value of this is lies in between 2, 3. Okay. Next 1 by 3. 1 by 3 they have given this is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. So 1 by 3 lies in between what? 0, 1. Okay, before 1. Okay, before 1. Okay. Next 7 by 9. This is also proper fraction. Proper fraction. So the value of 7 by 9 lies in between 0, 1. Okay, means before 1. And then 7 by 9. This is also I think we completed 7 by 5. So this is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So then we are going to divide numerator with the denominator. So we are getting to 2 by 5 1. So the value of 7 by 5 lies in between what? 1, 2. Okay. So and then 6 by 11. 6 by 11 is a proper fraction. So value lies in between 0, 1. Okay. And then 9 by 2. This is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. So the value of this, how can we say? We will convert it into mixed fraction. 2 4 is 8, 1. So 1 by 2, 4 whole part. So this value of 9 by 2 lies in between 4, 5. Okay. So 9 by 5. This is also improper fraction. improper fraction. So we are going to divide numerator with the denominator. 5 1 ja 5, we are getting 4. So 4 by 5 1. Okay, lies in between 1 comma 2. So these are the problems. Today's class we are discussed page number 178 part 1 6th class mathematics textbook. We completed. Do this. In the next class we are going to discuss exercise problems 7.1. okay, thank you for watching. I think you understood